Deep in the highlands of Cameroon, there is a lake that looks completely still. No waves, no sound, no warning. But one night, something invisible rose from beneath the surface and began to spread, not into the sky, but across the ground, silent and deadly. For years, this lake remained unchanged, surrounded by steep volcanic walls and dense vegetation. It appeared completely normal. The water was calm, the air was still, and nothing suggested danger. But far below the surface, in the deepest layers of the lake, something was building. Carbon dioxide, slowly leaking upward from underground volcanic activity, dissolving into the water, becoming trapped. Under immense pressure, layer by layer, the gas accumulated, in silence. Then, without warning, the balance was broken. A disturbance, deep beneath the lake, triggered a sudden release. Gas began rising rapidly, forming a powerful vertical column, rushing toward the surface. As it rose, the pressure dropped, and the gas expanded violently until it reached the surface and erupted. The lake itself seemed to explode. Water surged upward as massive amounts of carbon dioxide burst into the open air. But instead of rising, the gas spread outward because carbon dioxide is heavier than air. It flowed across the lake, spilled over the edges, and began moving downhill like an invisible flood. Within minutes, the gas covered the surrounding land, hugging the ground, filling valleys, sliding through everything in its path. The air itself was replaced, and then everything became still. By morning, the lake looked the same, calm, unchanged, as if nothing had happened. No signs of destruction, no visible damage, only silence in a place that once had life. What happened here is known as a Limnic eruption. Deep beneath the lake, carbon dioxide from magma slowly enters the water. Over time, it builds up in the deepest layers, held in place by pressure. But if that balance is disturbed, the gas rises suddenly, expanding rapidly and forcing its way to the surface. Once released, it doesn't rise into the sky. Instead, it sinks, spreading along the ground, displacing oxygen as it moves, turning breathable air into something else entirely. Today, the lake is being monitored. Special pipes have been installed to slowly release the gas before it can build again. From the surface, everything looks safe, controlled, stable. But deep below, the same conditions still exist, hidden, silent, waiting. A reminder that some of the most dangerous forces on Earth are the ones you cannot see.